Daily habits that are worsening your acne. If you're struggling with acne and wondering why those breakouts just won't go away, you might be making some everyday mistakes without even realizing it. In today's video, we'll be talking about the habits that are making your acne worse and what you can do instead. So if you're ready for clearer skin, stick around until the end. Let's get into it. Habit number 1: touching your face. We all do it, resting our face on our hands, picking up blemishes, or even just scratching an itch. But did you know that touching your face can transfer bacteria and dirt from your hands directly onto your skin? Our hands come into contact with thousands of surfaces every day: door handles, phones, keyboards, and more. These surfaces are filled with bacteria which can then be transferred to your skin. This can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. The solution: keep your hands away from your face as much as possible and always wash them before applying skin care or makeup. If you tend to touch your face out of habit, try keeping your hands busy, such as holding a stress ball or clasping your hands together instead. Habit number 2: using dirty pillowcases and towels. You wouldn't rub a dirty rag all over your face, right? But that's exactly what happens when you sleep on a pillowcase that hasn't been washed in a while. Your pillow absorbs oil, sweat, and bacteria, which can cause breakouts overnight. The fabric of your pillowcase accumulates dead skin cells, sweat, and leftover hair products over time. This buildup can irritate your skin and clog your pores. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, changing your pillowcases at least twice a week is crucial. Another tip is to use silk or satin pillowcases. These materials are gentler on the skin compared to cotton, which can cause friction and irritation. And remember, the same goes for face towels. Always use a fresh one to prevent bacteria buildup. Habit number 3: over for washing your face. Washing your face is good, but overdoing it not so much. If you wash your face too often or use harsh cleansers, it can strip your skin of its natural oils. Many people think that washing their face multiple times a day will keep their skin clear, but it actually does the opposite. Overwashing leads to dryness, irritation, and excessive oil production as your skin tries to compensate for the lost moisture. Stick to washing your face twice a day, morning and night, with a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. If you feel like your skin needs a refresh during the day, use a hydrating mist instead of washing it again. Habit number 4: using too many skin care products. More isn't always better, especially when it comes to skin care. If you're layering too many products or switching products too often, it can irritate your skin and lead to breakouts. Skin care should be simple and effective. Too many active ingredients at once, like retinol, AHA spas, and vitamin C, can overwhelm your skin and cause irritation. Instead, focus on a routine that includes a gentle cleanser, a non-comedogenic moisturizer, and sunscreen during the day. If you're using acne treatments, introduce them slowly. Start with a spot treatment and see how your skin reacts before adding more products. Remember, consistency is key. Habit number 5: poor diet choices. Ever noticed your skin acting up after a weekend of junk food? Diet plays a big role in acne. Foods high in sugar and dairy can trigger breakouts for some people. High glycemic foods like white bread, chips, and sugary drinks can spike insulin levels, leading to increased oil production and clogged pores. Dairy, particularly milk, contains hormones that may contribute to breakouts. Try cutting back on processed foods and drinking more water. Eating a balanced diet with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help your skin stay clear. A good rule of thumb is to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that support skin health. Habit number 6: not cleaning your phone. Your phone screen is a breeding ground for bacteria. Every time you press it against your cheek, you're transferring all that bacteria onto your skin. Wipe your phone screen daily with an alcohol-based cleaner to keep it free from dirt and bacteria. Also, try using speaker mode or earbuds when making calls to minimize direct contact with your face. Habit number 7: stress and lack of sleep. Stress and lack of sleep can lead to hormonal imbalances, which can trigger acne. Plus, when you're stressed, you might pick at your skin more, making things even worse. Try managing stress with exercise, meditation, or deep breathing. Sleep is also essential. When you don't get enough rest, your skin doesn't have time to repair itself. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Additional tips: now that we've covered bad habits, let's talk about how to stop acne. Use a gentle, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without clogging pores. Apply Sunscreen daily to protect your skin from harmful UV rays that can worsen acne scars. Drink plenty of water to flush out toxins and keep your skin hydrated from within. Try tea tree oil or benzoyl peroxide spot treatments to target active breakouts. Reduce stress with activities like yoga, meditation, or exercise, as stress can lead to acne flare-ups. Get enough sleep so your skin has time to repair and regenerate overnight. Exfoliate gently once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells and prevent clogged pores. Avoid touching your phone to your face. Phones collect bacteria that can transfer to your skin. Use fragrance-free skincare products to minimize irritation and allergic reactions. Limit wearing tight hats and headbands as they can trap sweat and bacteria, leading to forehead acne. One extra tip: make sure to clean your makeup brushes regularly. Dirty brushes can harbor bacteria and old makeup, which can lead to clogged pores and breakouts. Wash your brushes at least once a week with a gentle cleanser or baby shampoo to keep them fresh and skin-friendly. If you wear makeup, make sure to remove it completely before going to bed to let your skin breathe. Try to avoid using too many different skincare products at once, as this can cause irritation and make acne worse. Eating fresh fruits and vegetables gives your body the vitamins it needs to fight acne, while avoiding too much junk food. Sugary drinks and oily snacks can reduce breakouts if you still have frequent breakouts. Despite taking care of your skin, it may help to see a dermatologist. A skin specialist can recommend the best treatments for your skin type and provide advice on how to control acne. A dermatologist plays an important role in keeping our skin healthy. They are medical experts who specialize in treating skin, hair, and nail problems, including acne, eczema, rashes, and even serious conditions like skin cancer. And there you have it. These everyday habits might be making your acne worse, but now that you know what to do, you can start making changes for clearer skin. Which habit surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more skincare tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.